Hey everyone, we are back with another video on the series of Langchain. I know it has been a really long wait, and trust me, this wait is going to prove very valuable for you. We have been investing a lot of time and effort into building something that will help you accelerate your career. Many of you have been asking as to how we can help them career transition into AI all together in one single platform. So yes, we have put together a platform that will help you learn, create and collaborate all at the same time, and thereby enabling you to accelerate your careers in data science and AI. Before I move ahead and walk through for the entire platform for you, I want you all to hit that bell icon so that the algorithm knows we are back in the game. So as soon as you hit the URL for our platform, which is www.datahatai.in, right? So once you hit on this particular platform, you'll be taken to our home page, wherein you'll see our logo, and there are a lot of programs that we have been offering. At present, we have listed one such program, which is the Generative AI Masterclass. This Generative AI hands-on learning with Hugging Face will provide you a comprehensive and complete understanding per se for generative AI, wherein you can learn and start building various use cases and thereby apply to build your portfolios or even in the industry as working professionals. So you can go ahead, check this out. And for you learners specifically, if you are someone who prefers structured learning with certification and a complete collaboration and engagement involved there, then I want you to go ahead and make this purchase right away, because today we are offering a flat 50% discount. Check the link in the comments below. Now, for those learners who would prefer exploration, just going ahead, trying to understand what generative AI is, how generative AI works and the different aspects of it, you can go ahead and explore from our free to learn tutorials, right? These content we have already been posting so far on our YouTube channels, and from here you can directly go ahead and check them out. You can check our various reviews that we have been receiving, and we are so much privileged to receive 5-star rated reviews consistently across all our services, be it memberships, be it offering guidance, coaching, etc. So go ahead and check some of those services there. I would leave it to you to go ahead and explore this platform. I will put it down in the comments below, but I would like to highlight one important aspect, and that shall again prove very valuable to you. While we have the blogs here, we shall be adding more and more valuable contents over the time. I want to specifically point you towards membership, right? Membership is something that we have been experimenting with for now, and you can go ahead and purchase a monthly, quarterly or yearly membership. One of the additional or one of the very interesting features of memberships is that whatever new programs come in over the tenure when you are a member, you are automatically eligible and get enrolled for those programs. You do not have to incur any additional cost. So this is one of the very exciting features. Along with that, there are active community channels that are available, wherein you can engage with other data scientists, AI enthusiasts. We are actively available on those platforms. You can send in your queries and we shall respond to them at a priority basis. Okay, so go ahead and explore the platform. Let us know in the comments what your thoughts are, where we can improvise and overall bring more valuable content to you. Thank you. See you in the lectures.